Knowing the maximum sample volume can help ensure the centrifuge meets experimental demands. Maximum sample volume. Desktop centrifuges, volume typically handles up to 100 milliliters per tube. Importance: suitable for small-scale experiments and sample preparation. Floor standing centrifuges, volume can accommodate larger volumes, up to several liters. Importance: ideal for high-throughput applications and larger sample volumes. Specialized centrifuges, volume varies widely depending on the specific model and application. Importance: designed for specialized tasks such as ultracentrifugation. Rotor capacity factor: the number of tubes and their size determine the total volume. Importance: affects the throughput and scalability of experiments. Sample compatibility factor: different types of samples may require specific rotors or adapters. Importance: ensures compatibility and optimal performance. Balance requirements factor: samples must be balanced to prevent unbalanced loads. Importance: maintains stability and prolongs the lifespan of the centrifuge. Understanding the maximum sample volume a centrifuge can handle is crucial for meeting experimental demands and optimizing laboratory workflows. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding maximum sample volume, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.